The City of Taylor is excited to announce the Community Connection newsletter will be going all digital beginning in January 2022. Here is an easy step-by-step guide on how to sign up for the digital newsletter. First, you will need to go to your web browser and type in bit.ly/TaylorTXNews. You will then be navigated to the Notify Me page for the Community Connection newsletter. Type in your email address here and hit Sign In. You can then choose to receive an HTML version of the newsletter that will include formatting and visuals. And you can also choose to receive a text message alert when the newsletter is available. If you check the text message box, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Enter your cell phone number, then hit Save and OK. You can then pick which method you would like to receive the newsletter. Click the envelope icon to receive the newsletter via email. You will see a pop-up letting you know you will need to go into your email to confirm your account. Click OK. If you would like to receive notification via text message, click the cell phone icon. You will also need to verify your cell phone number before you begin to receive text messages. Click OK. And that's it. You will now begin to receive the Community Connection digital newsletter. If you have any questions about the newsletter, please contact the City of Taylor Communications Office at pio@taylortx.gov or give us a call at 512-352-5448.